Actually, when I was in the office for a regular exam, Kristen, who is one of his specialists, hygiene specialists, actually was talking to me about the fact that I wasn't quite happy with the gaps in my teeth, and we talked a lot about the fact that I get a lot of food in them and that kind of thing. And she said, "Well, have you ever thought about Invisalign?" And I'm like, "Well, I know my son had Invisalign, and Dr. Porter did Invisalign for my son." And I'm like, "Well, I'll consider it." And next thing I know, Dr. Porter's in, he's looking at my teeth, he's like, "You'd be a great candidate for it. Here's the process."
A lot of adults today that are in the workforce are unhappy with the way their smiles look, and they want to alter them with orthodontics, and they want to do it in a way that nobody knows they're doing it, and it doesn't disrupt their life. So like Howard, you want to be able to have straight teeth and not be disturbed in your public life, not have people know that you're having the treatment done, and get the results you've always wanted from clear aligner therapy, from Invisalign.
I think the experience with Invisalign is around the appearance. I'm not worried about someone seeing a bunch of metal in my teeth or a lot of big apparatus. You can barely tell that I have it. I'd say maybe a challenge around talking, if your tongue has to do a little differently with how you express words. There are great advantages to having Invisalign around not feeling like you have all this metal and equipment in your mouth. They fit really tightly, and they just kind of disappear, when you put them on. My overall experience with Charlotte Dental Arts has been phenomenal. I feel like they're a family to me, and I never feel like I'm wanting for anything. If there's a challenge or a problem that needs to be addressed, I know exactly who to go to. I can go to Laura, who's been fantastic in the back office, and anytime that our family has had dental issues, this is the first place that we come to. So Charlotte Dental Arts has been really a part of our life since we moved to Charlotte.